Right.
The surveyor come and they will come and see where the footing should be, the parameter of the building,
Yeah.
and then
Welcome again to another episode of How to Build a Custom Home. In this episode, we're going to take you to the behind the scene of what your typical basement foundation would look like after it was excavated. So as you can see right now here, that that there's this big giant sinkhole here. So this is your basement. So this is what the typical basement looks like. So this is actually a 9-foot drop. So it's very deep, and just have to make sure that I don't fall in there, because I won't be able to come back up. So the next phase that we're going to be doing is that we're just waiting for the result of the soil testing, just to make sure that the soil is strong enough or hard enough to put the footings. So once that thing is done, then we can request the surveyor to actually put the actual marks, so that we can put the underpinning for the foundation. And once that thing is done, then it's just a matter of pouring in the concrete, and it's just that's just probably going to take about a day or so for it to be done. And yeah, so that's just pretty much what goes on for the preparation for the foundation. And we'll update you guys on the next episode once we start putting the actual footings for the foundation. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Take care.
basement is 9, second floor is 10.
10?
Basement is 9,
Yeah.
ground floor is 10, second floor is 9 again. 10, 9. 11 over there, because there's going to be the steps for the basement.
Right, okay. So you got
Basically, so they will do the footing over here all around.
right.
The surveyor come and they will come and pin where the footing should be, the parameter of the building,
Yeah.
and then on Thursday the framers are coming to put the framing for the footing, and on
Okay.
Friday the concrete people will come and pour the footing. So we have to leave the footing to cure,
Yeah.